Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to repost a video on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your device, and now let's go to specific video that you want to repost, and under it you want to tap repost icon that looks like two arrows in square, and from here select option repost. So now it's visible on your profile. Let's go to my profile and select Post tab, and here is the video that I have just reposted. And please note that this is publicly visible, so everyone can see your repost. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.